Hello folks, just going to show you something real fast. Uh, how to play audio uh, either when you start the Termux terminal or in like a certain event in Bash. Okay, I just downloaded like, I don't know, 8 sound effects. So I just also created a sound effects directory. So to move these MP3 files into the sound effects folder, which is empty, as you can see, just you have to just use the move command, mv command. So move is mv, and then you have to use the wildcard star dots mp3. So those are the files. I'm home, so I could type in be more professional, and then just type in the name of the files, and that's it. As you can see, I transferred it by typing ls. The files are in there. So if I want to play, say use play audio, play one of these files, I just gotta go so first the name of the directory, and then the name of the file. Now I haven't named these files yet, so it's actually annoying to have to 396.mp3. Wait, hold on. 466.396 dots. Obviously, you want to name it something more human, like witch laugh or growl or whatever, you know, an actual word like a verb or a noun or whatever. It's just shit. Well, I could have easily just, I mean, I should have just done that. Copy. Duh. That's the easiest way to do it. And press enter. As you can see, it's working. Now that one, I could type in to name that one, just type move. MV, and you know, come up with a short name that describes that. So you could just say scary. Missing this thing. Oh, I forgot one thing. I was supposed to do this. Hold on. Let me control it and use the arrow. I was supposed to, first of all, type in the name. I made a very simple mistake, or stupid mistake, really. Hold on, let me start over. Show you. Wait, hold on. I don't really want to start over because then I have to type in this over here. But the hell with this. This is unprofessional. So Control U, since I'm home, you see, and if I type L, you see, I basically had to type. So I want to move or rename. The MV command is actually used for two different things, or at least two different things. It is to move a file or directory, or it is also used to change the name of a file. So the first thing is always you have to locate the file, and then since I already copied and pasted, that's the name of the file, and then I actually have to type this, the name of the directory, and then I mean the name of this file. So scary laugh house. The MP3. This should work. Okay, now ls scary laugh house. Okay, you see that worked. Now let's copy this. Now we're gonna play this one, the next one, and then eventually we need. Alright, that's easy. So we just use the up arrow. We're basically gonna do the same thing. But now we're gonna just don't be afraid to use the tab key to autocomplete in the bash. Obviously this should be called wicked mail laugh mp3. So we want, okay, that looks good. Then copy this. Hopefully I didn't skip anything. By the way, I'll leave the link to the free sound effects that you can download on your phone. Obviously that's a scary yell. Okay, just go up. And let's see. So wanna go out of it? That's one of my favorite ones. That's gonna be the last one that I'm gonna rename now. So I show you the other ones. Show you the so that one I'm gonna call which just simple. just call this one witch.mp3 for now. So that's enough for now. So now let me just show you, like, suppose you want this to start every time. Hold on. I'm just gonna demonstrate, like, if you wanted to just open up another session, or it's been open. Just go to the bash RC, or the hell is this? Oh, I don't know what that was. Okay, so basically I want to go into the just a short way to do this, but I'm just doing it the long way. So you see over here, want that, so highlight that, then and go into it. So you see over here, it's right here. I'm gonna put it so that whenever you make a mistake, it'll play copy. Skip, save and exit, CD to go home, dash to restart. I don't know. So now I think if I make a certain mistake, as you can see, it works. So now if I make a mistake, what if I type in this? So there you have it. Basically, whenever you make a mistake. Now, if you wanted to like start whenever you start the bash, so simple. Just go into the bash RC file. So VIM and simply put figure out you can use it. FX paste. There you go. Escape. Now whenever I go into bash, let me try this again. It's supposed to play. Obviously I made a mistake. That's weird. I have no idea why it didn't work. Send the volume up. Yeah. I don't know why it didn't work. It's odd. Maybe I had to put it in the dash bash. .bash RC file. I have no idea. Oh, that's right. I just realized something. I'm not actually at home. I think I'm not. I believe I am. Wait a minute. See if I type in CD. Not LS. Let me see something. Let's see. First of all, let's go back. Oh, supposed to. I don't know. So there's nothing wrong with that. It's actually
He's breaking up right now.
hold on, let me see something. Paste. Oh, I see. I have no. First of all, let's go home. Then go like this. Then as you can see, this is still the old-fashioned. The old-fashioned way. Hold on. There are shuttle ways to get over here. Of course, I could use the MC. I could use MC. It's weird. I don't understand why. I remember putting the oh, I see. First I gotta go home. Now type in vam.bashrc. You see, you gotta be careful with. See, look. When I was at the in the storage directory, I thought I was in home directory, and I was not able to access the via the .bashrc because you have to be home to have the to access it. Anyway, here it is. So I want to actually get rid of this and get rid of that. So new session ls storage. Wait a second. Am I home? The hell just happened before? I don't know. Anyway, she was in storage. Now I'm here. Okay, so I'm still home. I was looking for sound effects in the storage section. See, I'm getting confused. Sorry. I meant to say ls. Okay. Sorry about that. So let's just see something. Yeah, this one's. So now. Shh. Toby. Shut. Sorry about that. That was the dog. So then the name of the file. So now whenever I start the Termux, it should work. It should play this. So now we're typing bash. I show you that even if I shut it off, Termux. If I get out of here, just gonna show you that it still works. If I want to get rid of the message on the display, that's something else. Anyway, well, there you have it, folks. Sorry about that confusion. I just got a little confused with the directory that I was in. I forgot that I put the CD storage in the .bash.c file, so I was actually in the storage. I wasn't actually home. And by the way, PWD is to find out where you're at. That's what I should have done. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.